Welcome to today, Tuesday, 14th of April, 2020, another edition of our update on the coronavirus situation in Guyana. I hope that your long weekend was good, and I hope that you observed all the protocols that we have been reminding you of in the last month or more, and that you will continue to stay safe and continue to ensure that your family and your friends stay safe, and so that, as they say, we can flatten the curve for the COVID in Guyana. Today we will be privileged to hear again from the Honorable Minister, Waldo Lawrence, on the current situation of coronavirus in Guyana. Help me welcome Minister Waldo Lawrence.
I'm with you again today after the long Easter weekend, and I do hope that you complied with the hygiene rules and stayed at home. First, I wish to report on COVID-19 and where we are in Guyana. Here are the statistics for today. The total number of confirmed cases stands at 48, inclusive of 6 deaths, with a total of 224 persons tested during the period 26th February through 14th April 2020. Those who have tested negative are 176, and 8 persons have recovered. In our quarantine and isolation facilities, the numbers stand at 21 and 34 respectively, and there are 5 persons in our COVID-19 ICU. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to provide you with a breakdown of our confirmed cases. Of the 48 positive COVID-19 cases, 4 are known to have traveled from another country. The other 44 persons contracted the coronavirus disease in Guyana. Our confirmed cases in region number 4, representing 86%, are as follows: 14 from the East Coast Demerara, 5 from the East Bank Demerara, and 17 from Central Georgetown. Regions 1 and 6 with 2% each, and regions 3 and 10 with 5% each. To date, 60% of those tested positive are males and 40% females. Concerned citizens continue to call the hotline, and as of today, 1,929 persons have done so, for which we are extremely happy. However, let me remind you to make use of the hotline in your region, as well as the app. According to WHO, the global figures stand at 1,773,084 confirmed cases, with 111,652 deaths. While in the Americas, there are 610,742 confirmed cases, with 23,759 deaths. Let me take this opportunity to remind you that there are no vaccines nor medications to address the coronavirus disease. The medical personnel will treat you according to the symptoms you present. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to report on an incident involving 4 persons who disregarded the home quarantine guidelines and were en route to Madia and Lethem. They were intercepted and placed in institutional quarantine, thanks to the teamwork of the HEOC and the Guyana Police Force. We applaud the team for their quick action to avert any possible spread to our citizens in those communities. I wish to reiterate that persons on home quarantine need to adhere to guidelines when asked for their sake and others. Let me remind all of us of our responsibility to comply with the regulations and guidelines provided by the Ministry of Public Health in an effort to halt the spread of this pernicious disease among us. I know you treasure your life as well as your family, so you will make the right choice. The wise choice is to stay at home. If you must step out, remember to cover your nose and mouth. Wash your hands correctly. Practice the cough and sneeze etiquette. And more importantly, the social and physical distancing. Act wisely and stay safe until we meet again, God's willing.
Thank you, Minister, for another update. And I trust that you have paid keen attention to what the Honorable Minister said. And this has been another program of the Ministry of Public Health in collaboration with PAHO WHO. See you tomorrow for another edition.